Today I asked the girls which vegetable they wanted for lunch today, and they both said, we want hot dogs. It's one of their favorite vegetables. So today we're going to make some, what?
No.
Anyway, so today we're going to make some pretzel dogs. Let's go ahead and get ourselves started.
Vegetable dogs?
Pretzel dogs. All right, to get started here, we've got 3 quarts of water. We put on the stove, and it's boiling. Early this morning, we took some dinner rolls, and we've let them proof as according to instructions. So this is about 3 hours or so. Just going to pull that off there. And we've got our hot dog. So we're going to start off by taking our dinner rolls, and we're going to kind of roll them into a pretzel shape. So we're just going to make it nice and long and stringy. And you may have to use like 1.5 dinner rolls, depending on its size. Ours is kind of small. And we got that right there. We're going to take our hot dogs. We're using Nathan's. I always suggest using a really good hot dog. Makes such a big difference. So at the end, and then all we're going to do is roll that around. And this is a shortcut of making pretzel dogs. It's much easier doing it this way than it is making your dough from scratch. All right, going to tear off that little bit, tuck that in. I'm going to temporarily put that on my sheet tray and finish letting our water boil. All right, doing our last one here. Our water is now rapidly boiling. We preheated our oven to 350 degrees. We're going to do now with our water. I got a pair of tongs here. We're going to add some baking soda, and I've got 1/4 cup of baking soda. Add that to our water. The baking soda is what's going to help make that into a pretzel. It's going to change the flavor just a little bit. So then we're going to take each of our dogs, and we're going to put a couple in at a time, and we're going to cook these for about 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, we want to take those out, sit them on a tray. As soon as they hit the tray, you want to add just a little bit of kosher salt to go across the top, just like you would with pretzel. Right. And then we'll do the remaining hot dogs. All right. Cut those out. We're going to finish putting our kosher on these. Now you want to make sure that this water with the baking soda stays hot. So we kept it kind of on medium the entire time, because otherwise, if that water gets cold, it's going to give your pretzel dogs kind of a bitter taste. We're going to stick this in the oven, and we're going to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. All right, it's been now, what we've done here is we've got 2 tablespoons of butter. We're just going to take some butter. Just going to glaze each the top of those. If you want these to be a little bit crispier, you can leave them in the oven just a bit longer. We were beginning to get a little hungry and a little irritable, so we decided it was going to be a good time to pull them out now and eat them. Simple, delicious pretzel dog recipe. And they're not vegetables.